Mainly, first to be recognized in the field, people need time or need more time to do. And how the people from outside can recognize mainly several ways, but one of the major the publication. So publication is that is an indicator for the people from outside, for the researcher going to know you. And by doing that, so that means the quantity will not carry much weight, but the quality of the paper, that is the key. So the people, even if the people don't have to publish many paper, but some very, very good paper and also some good journal. So today there are many many new journal coming out every year, every month. So in order to be recognized, the author, the researcher should pay attention first, high quality research at the same time to submit into some of the very good journal. So because of have a very good journal so that can provide a good number of the citation. 20 years ago, the people don't pay much about the number of citation, but nowadays the Google citation, Score citation, and several other, but the citation will be one of the key. The people first to pay attention, and how to get more citation from the paper you have, so that is going to forget about for submission or publish the paper in the good high quality journal.